All right, we're just getting ready because today we are pulling out a 1966 Chevelle Malibu out of our gas station from the 1920s. My mom and dad had purchased this car at a car show. Actually, they saw it and ended up purchasing it maybe a year or two later, and that was in Graham, Washington. So the car's been stored in Tacoma, Washington for, gosh, the 25 years that we've owned it. About 12 or 15 years ago, my dad decided that he had to have a big block in it. So he ripped the small block out, he sold it, and of course, never got around to the project. So it has been sitting in storage for quite a few years. It is not the cleanest, but I think it's the first car that we're gonna do since my dad has passed. It's something that my mom has maybe expressed interest in driving, and we're excited to have it. It's got a back seat. We've got kids, so that would be perfect for that. So we're gonna haul it out of the gas station and get to work on starting the restoration. All right, here we go. Sure does suck being the youngest. Okay, so we are working on our first project post my dad, and we want to keep everything how he wanted it. So I'll give you guys a little bit of insight here into what we're doing. First project is going to be this 66 Chevelle Malibu. My dad wanted to put a big block in it, so he took the small block out and was ready to put a big block in it. This was about 10-12 years ago, so it has been sitting. So my glorious job today is to vac the entire car out because it's ready to be worked on, and we found all the parts, and we're gonna put a small block back in it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, but so far so good. Okay, it's pretty clean in here. I vacuumed everything out. I don't know why that's so blurry. Okay, it's looking a lot better. It's all vacuumed out. Trunk's a lot better. Okay, car's completely clean. I even vacuumed out the trunk, but there's nothing under there besides this is everything that I found. So you guys can see.